Semi-Autotrophic hydroponics is a novel, low-cost licensed technology for high-ratio propagation of cloner crops being promoted by IITA. It is very suitable for seedling production and is most useful for rapid propagation of improved and breeder lines within the institute. It has been found most useful in the propagation of yam and cassava for IITA, and is a technology that is very amenable and very cheap and easy, and is a technology that is just in between the tissue culture and the feed plants. And so it requires less management. It is not susceptible to contaminations from fungi or from bacteria based on the substrate we use. It's a very simple and easy to outscale technology for cloner crop propagation. This technology is highly relevant to yam production in that it can be used to speed up the breeding cycle, because it takes up to about a period of up to 10 years for a variety to be released, because a single tuber will need to be miniset and to be multiplied over a period of time before a substantive number of tubers that can be used for evaluation can be available. But with this technology, within a space of less than 2 years, you can produce multiple tubers that can be used in evaluating for the quality traits that are inherent in the improved variety you are about releasing to the farmers and the end users. And the other relevance of this technology is that it's a technology that is very suitable for seed companies to use in the rapid multiplication of yam seedling. Seed has been the major challenge of yam farmers, but now with this technology, you can continually have plants that will be sufficient and good for the use of all. Yam plants that are currently in the hands of the farmers are to a large extent laden with viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematodes, and the likes. So for us to have improved varieties that are clean, we obtain our mother plants from the virus-indexed tissue culture plantlets, that is plantlets that are free from all kinds of virus, bacteria, pathogens that can affect the plant. So what comes from the SAH lab to any seed producer or to the research institutes are 100% clean planting material that are free from virus, free from nematodes or fungi diseases that can be of a debilitating effect to the plants. When we have requests from seed companies or national research institutes working on yam, a box like this contains 25 plants, and 40 of these boxes can be loaded into a perforated carton of about 120 centimeter cube, and this can be transferred from region to region. And when they are in a perforated box of this nature, they can be moved for a period of 48 hours. And this is one of the advantages of such technology. This technology is new, and for yam, this is the first of its kind we have here. IITA is going to facilitate the way by which this technology can reach out to the hands of the national research institutes and to the seed companies, such that they are able to have a maximum advantage of the technology. And of course, we are not looking at the technology as being used to produce plantlets that will end on the farmer's feed, but we are using this technology to build a sustainable seed value chain, in which case we have key players in the foundation seed sector and players in the certified seed sector, and also outgrowers who will be working for this foundation and certified seed producers, such that jobs are created particularly for young school leavers and fresh graduates who are interested in buying into the idea of working within the seed system for cloner crops. And of course, this is being done extensively for yam, and it has to a large extent also been done in cassava, and so we can also do it for other cloner crops that are mandate crops of IITA like plantain and banana. because there is a need for us to leverage on this technology to alleviate seed deficit in the system.